eating less big fish.
Aha, excellent, no? The idea is stop eating this kind of large fish, no? Stop eating. So you need to put in your own words the 3 solutions that your friends mentioned today. In your own words, okay? So let's go to start with the oral presentations, okay, of today. Silvana, you have a question?
Can I be volunteer?
Yes, Silvanita. Silvanita, can I ask you to offer as a volunteer in order to explain, in order to see, and then you listen, Mis Milagros recommendation, I want an AD. So next class, I listen the recommendation and I am going to obtain AD. Yes? Okay, Silvana. Let's go to start. Guys, pay attention to Silvana's presentation because probably in your case, you can adapt these ideas in your PPT. Please, the official evaluation is next week. Okay? This week is just practicing. Go, Silvana.
Good afternoon, Ms. Milagros and friends. Today I'm going to talk about the sea otter. How does it look like? Sea otters are extremely marine mammals which look like larger, fluttery version of freshwater cousins, the river otters. They have 4 legs to move easily on land and long tail to swim through the water. Sea otters also have thick and brown fur. As I said, sea otters are similar to the river otters, but they are not the same in some characteristics, like their face and their tail. Where does it live?
Stop, Silvana, go back. So for example, one of the important things, Silvana, here, instead of putting this article, probably I suggest to put the other picture of the other animal you are comparing. You are comparing with another animal, yes? So this article, it's going to be substitute with the idea of another picture. And then, what is more? People observe you explaining. And with the help of your mouse, you can tell what is the differences between these two. And then obviously put the name at the top because I need to see which animal is this. Okay? So then you mention the legs, the color with your mouse. Exactly like this. Excellent, Silvana. Now you are explaining. You are not reading. You understand the difference. Next slide, Silvana.
Where does it live? Sea otters live in the middle of Pacific Ocean, especially in the coast, because as I said in the characteristics, they have legs to move on land, so sometimes they come to the coast and walk there. Most sea otters remain in habitats with rocky substrate as their prey tend to be more plentiful in these areas.
Stop. Silvanita, back. What I suggest here, Silvana, again, a picture. If you are talking about Pacific coast, put a map of the Pacific Ocean coast. That's it. And then, if you want to mention about the rocks or things like this, put a picture of the rocks. But not a lot of words in your PPT. The star in this presentation is Silvana. So Silvana needs to show with the images, the people that is observing Silvana, the images, how you explain Silvana. Okay? Stop sharing, Silvana. And we have just 1 minute. Remember, we need to go into the ID of